Hello viewers, welcome once again. In our today's video, we are going to discuss how you can apply animation effect into a simple HTML web page. So I'm sharing my screen so that all details can be equally visible. In HTML, there is a tag which is known as a marquee tag. This tag we can use to add some animated effect into our HTML page. How to use? It is very simple to use. Whatever text you require to get animated, you can write within marquee and slash marquee tags. So this is the closing tag and this is the opening tag. So inside marquee and slash marquee, if we write something, definitely that particular tag is going, that particular text is going to start scrolling across your browser. Apart from simply using the marquee tag, we can also put some properties. Few important properties are like direction, behavior, PG color, etc., etc. So let's try to explain. Already we have written a code in our editor. So here is the file which I am going to discuss. Now, for example, initially I am removing this particular tag, this particular property. So let's start with marquee, then BG color equals to pink. So BG color means if we are going to apply a kind of background color with a pink color, where we have said direction is right. It means the text will start scrolling from left to right. And which text? That we have discussed, that we have written here. Welcome to our HTML section. So if this particular file we open in our browser, I'm refreshing it. So you see that this particular text, not the entire text, only this particular text scrolling from left hand side to the right hand side. Now look at the how it scrolls. It is going towards the right hand side, momentarily goes off from the screen, and again it reappears from the left hand side. So what will happen if I change the direction from right to left? So I'm doing the necessary modification as well as saving the file and coming to the browser and refreshing it. So definitely now I can see welcome to our HTML session is scrolling from right to left. Earlier it was moving from left to right direction. Now it is from right to left. Now you remember that the text went off from the screen for a moment and again it is reappeared. But now if I do this particular changes, for example, I'm writing behavior is equals to alternate. So if I write and save this file, again I'm refreshing. So now what will happen? Just look at how it is scrolling. It is, of course, coming from right hand side to the left hand side. But the major thing is that it is not, it is again going, probably I have done some mistakes. So let's say behavior, you see that it's not the like English dictionary, the spelling should be behavior. So here, again, I'm doing changes and again refreshing it. So you have to observe how it is moving. Now you will see that because we have added behavior is equals to alternate. So what it will do, it will go towards left margin and it will start coming back from left to right. It will never go off the screen. It will keep on scrolling from right to left once and then left to right next time. So this is how we can generate some animated effects into our HTML page. And the major element that we have used here is the marquee tag. Thank you for watching our video. For more such videos, please stay tuned with us. We will be coming up with more such topics. Thank you.